center. Today we are going to show you how to fix your spindle when it's not turned. So if you're ready, let's get it started. Click 100 degrees on the screen and the arrow message main axis now turn appears. Make sure there's a needle position display on the screen. If not, please manually turn the color changing motor to find the needle position. Any determined needle position is fine. Turn off the power of the machine and manually turn the spindle knob, but it cannot be turned. The needle also does not move up and down. At this time, due to the lack of oil between the main axis and the bushing, we need to try to make the main axis rotate. Step 1. Inject the sewing oil into each oil filling hole of the main axis of your machine. You can add more sewing oil to each hole. It's recommended to add 5 drops to each oil hole at a time. Step 2. Wait for 2 minutes after adding oil to allow the oil to fully penetrate into the spindle bushing. Step 3. Turn the main axis by hand, counterclockwise, towards your body. The main axis can rotate and the needle will move up and down. It's recommended to rotate back and forth 10 times. Step 4. Power on the machine. Step 5. Click 100 degrees on the screen first, and the prompt of main axis now turn will not appear. Then click the thread trimming button on the screen to observe whether the machine still prompts an arrow. It can work normally without an arrow. Okay, that is so much for today. If you guys like the content of this video, please click the link down here to subscribe and welcome to follow us. And if you guys have further questions, please leave it underneath. We will answer to you as long as we see it. So that is for today. We will see you next time.